Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add another admin into your Facebook business page. How to add other people as an admin to your Facebook page or Facebook business page. Hindi po yung personal, kundi yung business page. Alright, kasi ganito po. Hindi po tayo pwedeng gumawa ng Facebook ads using our personal profile. We should be, or the only way you can advertise in Facebook is by using a Facebook business page. So, kung meron po kayong business, you should be using a business page. Otherwise, kapag ang ginamit po ninyo ay ang inyong personal profile in promoting a business, there is a chance na iban po kayo ni Facebook or i-deactivate na lang nila basta yung inyong personal profile for the reason na that is personal. So, in order to follow Facebook rules and be friends with Facebook, sundin lang po natin yung dapat. And the proper way is to have your own Facebook business page. Okay. And also, if you are hoping for someone to do Facebook ads for yourself, you need to add admins, advertisers, moderators, and so that they can look after the page for you or post on your behalf. So, punta po kayo doon sa business page or yung Facebook page na ginagamit nyo sa pagpo-post para sa business niyo. In my case, yung Ask Jingo. Then, Facebook will tell you to go to Business Manager to manage this page. Kapag ikaw ang may-ari ng page, makikita mo yan because it will appear on your end kapag ikaw po ang admin ng page na ito. All you have to do is click that para makarating ka dun sa Business Manager so that you can manage the page. Ito po yung aking gagamitin. So, I just clicked that one and then nandito na ako. Now, all you have to do is go to the settings right there and then go to page roles. Ito pong itong part na to, okay? So, ito, i-click lang po ninyo yan and then you can assign the page roles to each person na gusto nyo gawing admin, gusto nyo maging co-page owner, o yung mga Facebook ad agencies, o yung mga social media managers. So, you can have all the options here. Now, ilalagay mo lang dito, and then hahanap ka ng, you will just have to choose from the options na ipapakita ni Facebook sa'yo, and then you will add the person in here. Let's say for example, parang na-add ko na kasi sis MJ, pero I will just show you how to do it. Okay, like that, MJ Tapia, and then click. I will put her as, let's say for example, a moderator, advertiser, or whatever, or admin, or editor, perhaps an admin. If you're adding a new admin to your page, please keep in mind that they'll have the same permission as you do to make changes to this page. So, kung okay yan sa inyo, then click add. Alright? And then put your password to verify na ikaw talaga yan, sa'yo yung page na yan, and you are adding this person to become your co-admin. Okay? So, that's how it is done. Now, hindi ko na gagawin kasi na-add ko na po si Sis MJ kanina. So, I just showed you how to do it. And then after that, she will be, like ito po, ayan, nakalagay na siya dyan. And she will be among the people na, as one of the person that you allow post on your behalf sa iyong business page. Next, I'm going to show you how to add someone to your business manager's account. Kaya po tayo nag-a-add ng other person sa ating mga business managers account, or let's say nag-hire kayo ng advertiser, they need to have an access to your business manager's account para magawa nila yung kanilang trabaho. This is Jingo and see you next video.